Conasatatu, how are you? Mary Ellen here. But instead of seeing my lovely face today, you're actually seeing my barmbrack that has just come out of the oven. So barmbrack is the speckled loaf, very big this time. And I have made this special one for my sacred Samhain tomorrow. And I've made it with love in the shape of a heart. So I wonder if you know that the barmbrack is actually a device of prophecy. Yes, just like the Morrigan herself. It can prophesize your future. So contained in this brack is a matchstick, a toothpick, a button, a thimble, a coin, a ring, and a piece of cloth. And what do they all mean? Well, you'll have to come along to Sacred Samhain tomorrow to find out. See you at Sacred Samhain, 11 o'clock at the Irish Cultural Centre in Hammersmith in London. Grá mór.